My future wife, please don't talk this, not like that, not in anger, not in the moments when emotions speak louder than love. My future wife, please don't talk this, because some words leave marks even after silence returns. I know we are not perfect. I know we will have disagreements. I know there will be days when we misunderstand each other, when thoughts cloud, when hearts feel heavy, and patience becomes difficult. But even in those moments, I hope we choose softness over sharpness, understanding over reaction, love over pride. My future wife, please don't talk this, because I want our home to be a place of peace. I want our conversations to heal, not hurt. I want even our agreements to end with respect, not regret. There is a difference between speaking and hurting, between expressing and breaking, between honesty and harm. And I hope we always remember that difference even when emotions are high. My future wife, please don't talk this, because I will try my best to understand you, not just your words, but your silence too, your moods, your struggles, your unspoken feelings. I want to listen, not only with my ears, but with my heart. And I hope you will do the same for me, because love is not about winning agreement, agreements. It is about protecting each other's hearts, even drawing disagreements. My future wife, please don't talk this, because I want us to grow together, not drift apart through careless moments. Words spoken in anger might disappear from the mouth, but they often stay in the heart for a long time. And I never want you to cry, regret, for something said in a moment of pain. Nor do I want to cry it myself. So let us learn something important early. Gentleness. Even in conflict, my future wife, please don't talk this. Because I'm not perfect with her. I will make mistakes. I will sometimes say the wrong thing. I will sometimes misunderstand you. But I promise to always return with calmness, with apologies, with effort to fix what is broken. And I hope we both choose repair our distance. My future wife, please don't talk this, because I want our relationship to feel safe, a place where we can be honest without fear, a place where we can express us without hurting, a place where love is stronger than a gay, where silence is not punishment but time to understand, where words are not sharp but thoughtful. My future wife, please don't talk this, because I already imagine a life with you that is not perfect but peaceful, not without problems but without cruelty, not without agreements but without damage that cannot be healed. I want us to be gentle with each other, even when we are frustrated, especially when we are frustrated. My future wife, please don't talk this, because I chose you even in imagination. I chose your heart, your feelings, your presence, your imperfect but beautiful human nature, and I hope you chose many too, with the same care. So when difficult moments come, when emotions rise, when silence feels heavy, let us remember this simple promises: we will not hurt what we love, we will not destroy what we are bleeding, we will not let temporary anger create permanent wounds. My future wife, please don't talk this. Not because I want you silent, but because I want your words to always feel like love, even when life is not easy. Because at the end of everything, I don't just want a wife, I want a partner, a friend, a safe place, a heart that understands many, and a heart that I protect with all my care. And I hope you will say the same about me too.